Hey Divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I get this beautiful burgundy color without any bleach. It is simple and easy, so if you want to see how I do it, continue to watch. I'll be going in with the L'Oreal Eye Color Highlights and I'll be using the shade Red. And because I'm doing a short unit, I'll only use 2 boxes. And the box specifically said 30 volume developer, so that's what I'm going to use, but I guess you can use whatever you want. So for the measurement, it says for every box of dye you need 1/3 cup of developer, and because I'll only be using 2 boxes, I'll go in with 2/3 cup of developer. So I'm going to go ahead, pour everything in my container, mix everything together until it is saturated. If I had known, I would add more developer, because the more developer you add to the unit, the brighter it comes out. The less you add, the darker it is. So if you want it to get a little brighter, you can add more developer. So I'm going to go ahead, mix everything together before applying it to the unit. Once I am done mixing everything together, I'm going to go ahead and add my developer. And if I had known, if I wanted the unit to be brighter, as I said before, I would have went in with a little more developer. Once I am done mixing, I'm going to go ahead and apply it straight to the unit. So I will be using my hands, but at first you'll see me use the brush, because I use the brush to mix the product up, so I want to get everything off the brush. So I started using the brush in order to get whatever is in the brush on the hair before using my hands. This product can get messy, so go ahead, spread something on the floor. Be careful with your walls, your countertops, and all of that. And also, I'm going to be working as quickly as possible because I want the unit to process as evenly as possible. As you can see, I'm working in sections because it's easier to work in section than just try to put everything on the unit all at once, because working in section will let you see how many products you have remaining to the amount of hair you have left, and also it helps you to get more into the unit without missing spots. As you can see, I'm in the back section and I'm not being careful because I don't have any legs that will get messed up, and I'm saturating the unit to ensure that everything gets coated. I don't want to miss any spot. I'm going to move on to the frontal. And I know I told you guys earlier to be extra careful around the lace, but I guess your girl wasn't being careful because I got my lace messed up. So what I wanted to do is do something to protect the lace before applying the mixture. So what I did is I applied the mixture and let it sit overnight, because this will just process for a matter of time. It won't over process. So because I let it sit overnight, I guess once the developer starts developing, it starts to swell. It starts swelling, or yes, swelling. So it end up seeping to the lace, swelling to the lace. So the lace got messed up, but I fixed it and it was no biggie to me. So your girl wasn't listening to herself. She didn't take her own advice. Now that I'm done applying the dye over the unit, I have some extras, so that is what I'm going in with now to add extra to the hair, because you want to get everything even. I went ahead, rubbed the hair in foil, let it process overnight, and this is me the next day removing the foil. So what I'm going to do now is just rinse it out and show you the final result. I didn't use a lot of products, so what I went in it with was the silicone mix along with some conditioner, and I used some moisture rich conditioner. Once I am done washing it, I let it sit overnight and hair dry before cutting and styling it. And this is what the final result looks like. I hope you guys love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys for tuning in. Bye.